Okay, here is the front entryway, so it opens into this living room and kitchen combined area. And it's kind of nice how the house is broken up. You have the space in the middle, and then primary bedroom over on that side, and then the other side has all the guest bedrooms. So over here, that Vegas fireplace. This one does look like it's a real flame. Some of them are just electric and it doesn't have actual fire, but that one does look like it has it. But really nice. All of these open up to the backyard. Super high ceilings too. So this is from 2020. It's a custom build. So fairly new, very modern design. They have this double island bar thing going here. So you all watch TV there, put food on it. Okay, so eating area here. I am kind of surprised they didn't take this and go all the way back with the counter. Okay, cooktop. And then it goes very high up. It's super high ceilings here. Nice big kitchen sink, so this would make a great short-term rental out here. Double ovens, great entertaining space. And huge pantry. I mean, this could be a closet. This is very big, which if it was short-term rental, you know, you don't really need this much space. You could also take some of this and then make it something else. So this house is 3,700 square feet. It says 3 bedrooms, but it could easily be 4 or 5. So this is one room that right now is a man cave sports room. But it could easily be turned into a bedroom. There's a room over there. We could add a closet if you wanted to make room in there, or you could put an armoire in here, which the room is big enough. You easily can add that. Bathroom, just half bathroom for guests. And I'll go into the garage after. This is another separate storage area, which this one could even be a bedroom as well. Let's see. This is leading in from the garage, but there's also that other entrance right there. So if you wanted to block this off or even make it like some kind of next gen suite where there's a separate entryway, you could easily do that as well. And tons of storage in here. Let's see, where's the water heater in this house? Oh, it might be in there, but I can't get in there because of the car. Anyway, 3-car garage. Parking spaces behind this too, and then there is tons of space for RV parking. All right. This is just storage closet here. Here's the laundry room. Super nice. This is all a single story too. And they have this table here to fold. Have a nice sink, tons of storage up there. And good washer and dryer. So this is another bedroom. This one has the closet in here. And then this one's already set up like a gym. Really pretty bathroom. Again, the super high ceilings, and they did the tile all the way up and have that shower bar all the way up, which gives it this huge look. Yeah, nice tub there. So it's 3,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms. There is extra space. There's tons of extra space to build on this. Already in the house, you can get 5 bedrooms just with the rooms that they've added. You don't need a ton of communal space in a short-term rental. Another bathroom. Now, this bedroom's nice. It has an exit directly outside. So also if people are outside and they want to come in and not go all the way through the house, they can just use that restroom. So that is one side of the house. And then kind of nice, the separation, because the primary wing, as he called it, over here, and you can close this off too, super private. So this is just a nice, build in general. And then also just the plus that you could possibly get a license. Pretty, they have the LED lighting, the ceiling up there, another exit out. And this is really pretty because you have the view out here. So that is downtown. You have a view unobstructed of downtown. This house is a little bit in the way of the strip. So even though we're a bit elevated up here, it's kind of, you can still see it, but it is blocked a bit. But tons of room in here. And then this is another one of those rooms that is not actually a bedroom, but it easily could be turned into one if you just put an armoire in here. Because it's really good space-wise too. It's a big bedroom, or a big room. And this is the bathroom for the primary. So he's calling this the master wing because it's huge. So they have the barn door for the bathroom. Huge bathtub here. It look really good for pictures. See some different decorating. And the shower. Looks really nice. And I love this. This looks like you're at like the salon. You can easily bring people in here. If people come in town for events, bring all the makeup artists and hair people in here to do hair. Looks like a little lounge. And this is the closet. So a huge closet too. Kind of wonky how it's spread apart, but it's nice. It's instead of all being in one room, they just put it into different rooms. So also, if this were to be a rental or a short-term rental, you're not going to need all of this closet space. So this could also be turned into a bedroom or a game room or something. And here, he was saying there's a dog door over there somewhere, I think it may be in the kitchen. And then there's also this one, which leads directly to a kennel outside. So if you can get a dog-friendly short-term rental as well, that would be great. We just opened one up around this in Henderson, and I think that's a new thing. People are traveling and they want to bring their pets with them. All right, now the backyard, so you have this big covered patio right here for patio furniture, TV, so plenty of entertaining space. That is the other dog door there. Nice little landscaping, and this closes as well. And in there, those are power shutters. These look like they are too, for all of these shades to go down. There's that gazebo right there. You can already tell they have tons of barbecue stuff here. And they put bark around here, and then down there more the fire pit and more space just to hang out. So this lot is almost 3/4 of an acre. So I believe, I need to check for sure, but that parcel is part of it, which is right now where they have their trailer, but that's plenty of RV space. And if you wanted to make it rental, it would need a pool. You could add a dog run back there. You could add plenty of things, but for the backyard, the landscaping for a pool, for pickleball court, sport court, whatever you want to add, would want to budget for around $200,000. And then inside, it looks pretty turnkey. You do need furniture, but it looks really good. A lot of privacy too. So this is just what it is right now. And it is landscaped well, what they have right now. So that could be something you wanted to add in the future too, but it's best to do it all at once. And this is the other side of the house. So as you can see around here, there's still a lot of development and empty lots. And this would definitely have room if you wanted to put RV parking over here. And if not, you have all of that over there to build on. But that is where the real, I mean, the house is amazing and it's very new, but you have a lot of space that you can be creative in the backyard and the AC. So very nice. Everything is built 2020, so it is fairly new and it's all connected. So out here, a lot of these houses are gonna be on septic and propane, and this one is actually hooked up to the utilities. So it's hooked up to city water, which is huge out here, which I believe they said was a $150,000 job to do. On this side, you have a really nice kennel that they built here, and the other AC unit. It is a bigger house, it takes two, and then very nice. So for dogs, that is great to have. So you walk out. This is far East Henderson. Houses are further apart, the lots are bigger, and this is when you can still get short-term rentals that are further apart from each other that would qualify for the 1,000-foot buffer rule. So, front of the house, there is plenty of parking space, and if you go over here, there's strip view. Also, nobody is in the lot right here, and then behind it is a bigger part of the lot that has nothing built behind it either. So, straight between the neighbor over there too, and then there's one neighbor in front. Here's the front of the house. Really pretty entryway here. Over there, there's 3-car garage on the other side of the house, and then there is RV parking space.